ready to unlock effortless banking right from your pocket. Let's get your N26 app set up in minutes. First things first, head to your phone's app store, either the Apple App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Android devices. In the search bar, simply type in N26 and tap the search icon. You'll see the official N26 app appear. Look for the distinct black and white logo. Go ahead and tap on the Install or Get button. The app will then download and install onto your device. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the N26 app icon right on your home screen. Tap to open the N26 app. You'll be greeted by a sleek welcome screen. If you already have an N26 account, tap Log In. If you're new to N26, tap Open Account to begin the quick sign-up process. For new users, you'll start by entering your email address. Next, you'll create a secure password. Make sure it's strong and memorable. You'll then need to verify your email address or phone number following the on-screen prompts. You'll then be guided through entering some basic personal information to complete your new account. Congratulations! Your N26 account setup is complete and ready to go. You're now logged into your N26 account. You can easily view your balance, track transactions, and explore all the features. Manage your money with ease, anytime, anywhere. Welcome to N26.